In this short video, we're going to walk you through some of the basic elements of Sakai. Duke Sakai is located at sakai.duke.edu. If you're a Duke user, use your Duke NetID and password to log into Sakai. Simply click the green Duke Sakai login button located at the top right portion of the screen and enter your NetID and password. Once you're logged into Sakai, you will see a row of tabs across the top of the screen. Each tab represents a course or project site in which you're involved. The menu on the left-hand side of the screen corresponds to the tools that are part of each course or project. For example, in My Workspace, these menu items apply. My Workspace is a private area for your content. No one else can access this content unless you explicitly give them access rights. When you log into Sakai, you'll always start out in your My Workspace site. Clicking on another tab takes you to another site in which you're involved. The menu for that site is also displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. If you're involved in more sites than fit across the width of the screen, you will see a tab for My Active Sites that presents a list of all your sites. If you don't see a site listed, make sure that you have created the course. Instructions for doing this are found in another video. Also note that you will see sites created for any course that existed in Blackboard between fall 2007 and now. We have migrated these sites into Sakai to make it easier for you to reuse content. You can control the appearance and order of the site tabs using Preferences tool in My Workspace. The submenu across the top has an option for customizing tabs. The home page of My Workspace may contain announcements, calendar entries, notifications, and other information that is aggregated from all the courses or projects in which you're involved. Let's go into a course site. When you enter a course site, you will see that the menu on the left-hand side of the screen is similar to the same menu in My Workspace. You can customize this menu by adding or removing tools under Site Info, Edit Tools. Site Info is where you make administrative changes to your course, such as adding participants, creating groups, publishing the site to students, and adding and removing tools. Instructors and TAs can add and remove tools. In page order, you can rename tools, make tools invisible to students, or reorder them. Reordering tools is a simple matter of dragging and dropping the tool name. Official course rosters are automatically imported and updated by the registrar's office, but you can add additional students, instructors, and TAs to a course site using Add Participants. If you're creating a project site, this is the main way in which you will add participants. Under Manage Groups, you can create groups. This is useful because some tools, such as assignments, tests, email, and forums, will allow you to create items that are only visible to the groups that you choose. Manage Access is where you'll go to publish and unpublish your site to students. The Resources tool provides a place for you to upload or create content. It is structured into folders and subfolders. Sakai can store any digital file format, such as a PDF file, a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, or an image. Web-friendly formats can be presented directly within Sakai through your web browser. Notice the Reset button located to the left of any Sakai tool title. It is useful when you navigate the tools inside your site. Sakai remembers where you left off. If you drill down into a tool, jump to another tool in Sakai, then return, you will come back to where you left off. This can be very handy for organizing content, but you can always return to the main screen of the tool by clicking the Reset button. Clicking on the Reset tool will abandon whatever process you had started and take you to the home page for that particular tool. Also note the question mark that appears in the upper right-hand corner of most Sakai tool pages. Clicking the question mark takes you to context-sensitive help files for the tool that you're currently using. For more information about Sakai and additional videos, go to support.sakai.duke.edu.